Good evening. So I am Krishna Kumar. I work for Vodafone. So I was referred to IIPM by one of my colleague. So it was like a casual on a tea talk discussion. So we thought of going up the ladder, taking next level kind of stuff. Then he suggested that we can go look out for an IIPM, which will be very useful for our career also, but also for the betterment of our future stuff. So to say a few words about the IIPM and the project on the sessions what we have gone through last 5 days, it was very excellent. In fact, for the first day, what Ari have took over on the ice breaking session itself, they gave a very so
like mentioned the first day.
So as he has rightly said that we were being as an Indian we used to have only at 90, 95 as a setup, and then he has given a point saying that let's not aim for 90 and all, let's aim for 60. Whatever we can able to do it, we can do it. That itself gave a very good confidence on the. It's like an eye opener kind of an thing, how to take out the competitive exams and all, and he gave how to go about it. It's a time bound exam, so every minute, every second is going to be count. So the other point which he taught about on the tips and traps, which was very useful to how to take about on preparing for the exams on the day, what are the things we have. So generally on the courses, if you see, every institute used to give only on the subject or on the what is there, but preparing for the exam and on the exam before one day on the day which where many of the candidates used to miss out on it. But that is one of the major factor, even though you prepare for your exam. So that was very good covered. That's what's very good one. And on the subject, if you see, each and every line they have been asking us to mark it, asking us to circle it, highlight it, and we thought maybe a very small word, but it has got a lot of background, or it has got a lot of a story in fact behind it.
Yes.
So then only we understood, okay, it's not like just they are saying just to circle it or just to highlight it. So to speak about the faculties, all are enriched with their kind of the experience, and they were able to give to us in the way we were able to understand, and they were able to quote examples, scenarios where we were able to relate it, so that the concept can be easily understood by us. So, and if you want us to rate me on the ranking, I can give it 10 out of 10. And I take this opportunity to thank IIPM and Mr. Arivaragan to helping us to take up next in the ladder. And the last but not the least, I will also take up opportunity to say thank you for all the supporting staffs so who have helped us in might be, so they don't even wait for the ask for it. So if at all there is a water is required, they don't allow us to ask for it. They'll keep it so that we can concentrate on the studies on the material, on the sessions. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, great. Very comprehensive.